All right, all right. Hi Uday. Hello everyone. Hello Drumil, Mahesh, Gaurav. I can see Navjeet is also here.
Hi, Saurabh.
Hey
I
Prashant.
sort of
Hello, Saurabh.
Great, great. Ram Nivas is also here. How about you, Niture? You guys are turning off your videos. Okay, cool. Looking good, looking good. Fantastic. So, right, all right. So, how was your experience? I mean, a couple of people, you can feel free to unmute yourself and talk about it. How was your experience in the last couple of sessions, and how are you taking things ahead? What?
I just saw the previous session and the first session I saw, and then I go through the PDF. So
Okay,
that that is continuing. I will complete the PDF today.
all right. Which PDF are you talking about?
The data science introduction, 48 pages.
Okay, the handbook one. Okay, all right. How about you, Pratik? Pratik Gupta, how's your journey coming along? Pratik, are you there? Am I audible, guys? Okay, all right. Hey, Pratik. प्रतीक आज नहा हुआ क्या है बढ़िया से लुकिंग स्मार्ट हाँ गुड गुड या प्रतीक गो अहेड
I have joined a course on Coursera for Python for everybody, and I'm going through that, and I am going through all your notes and the previous videos present on the YouTube.
okay so you are going through basically the previous videos and notes apart from that you have also registered for the Coursera that is good that is good that is good how about you Navjeet how are you planning ahead along with the notes and all the course curriculum that we planned here
I
anything
sort of
yeah anything additional also that you are doing talk about it.
yes. I think it was a nice experience for me. It started with the basics, and now I am reading the link that you shared regarding the data exploration topics. So I am reading that, and then I will go through the video of the 12-hour video that you shared. So yeah, till now it is going well and good, and I'm looking forward to learning.
Good, 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 fantastic. Okay, there are a couple more other new people. Let me change the layout so that I can see them. Okay, title, right. All right, so let me take a couple of names. How about you, Ankit? I can see you for the first time. We have never been interacted so far. Just feel
Yes,
free to
sir.
introduce yourself because I don't know.
Yes, I'm Ankit. I'm a first freshman at IME Kanpur,
Okay.
2021 batch.
Mhm.
I'm started a few courses on Coursera. It's made by machine learning by Duke University, and started a bit of written Python programming.
Okay. All right. What about the things that we discuss here? I mean, any couple of videos that you go through, any notes that you prepared specifically?
So I've prepared a little bit of notes about the three V's of data,
Mhm.
logistic regression, and a bit of the second part of logistic regression, that is multiple perceptron.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Cool. Nice. 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 That's good. Good. How about you, Aditya Krishna? Yeah, how about you? Just introduce yourself. I mean, in a one line or so, and then talk us about how this journey has been.
Hello. Yes, sir. Sir, I'm Aditya Krishna from IIT Roorkee. I'm new aspirant of new admission in IIT Roorkee Data Science. In couple of days, I learned the last two sessions from you on uploaded on YouTube, and also I'm joined the Udemy Python for beginners, and also I joined the Big Data Science from Zero to Hero, which you shared me to join, which is a free course on Coursera.
Okay. Are you talking about this Power BI course?
Yes, sir. Power BI.
Okay. All right. Good. Good. That is really good. Nobody talks about it, but you did. Thank you. Thank you, Aditya. Yeah. Anyone else registered there? Yeah. You can raise your hands.
I did.
Okay, okay, one, two, three, four. Okay, you people have registered. That is good. That is good. Exactly. You know what I was asking is that anything additional you people are doing apart from these people, what they said, right? Anything additional? If talk about it. If you have already completed, gone through the blogs, if you have already completed your books that I have shared, if you are already registered in the couple of courses, talk about it. Anyone who has done that. I believe those people who have already presented it, they must have gone through the blogs, extensive research they have already done it. Say Prince Uday, Prince Tarun and Vikrama, I believe Gaurav as well, right? So you guys must have already gone there. Anyone else would like to talk about it? Ravi, how about you? And Pawan Kataria, how about you?
Yeah, hi Saurav.
Yeah.
I wanted to share information.
Mhm.
Meanwhile, while I'm doing self-learning about Python, there is a very good website called W3 School.
Mhm.
It's really helped me a lot.
Good, good.
And about that, your course, Power BI course is very nice. And I also searched a website called Geeks of Code.
Mhm.
You can get the lots of coupons. So
Mhm.
for the Udemy courses, that will help you.
Right,
And
right.
apart from that, right now I'm like whatever you told last time to, I'm just making my plans and whatever my future goals, and I'm working on that, trying to lay a plan. And right now I'm over. Currently, I'm doing that.
Good, 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 good. The point is also good. Okay, thank you, Shivam, for sharing that. Anyone else who is working very meticulously on the notes part? Because I wanted to know. Yeah, please. Yeah, yeah. Mahesh, talk about it. How are you preparing? Your voice is not audible. If you can join again, we are unable to see you. So just drop it off and join again. Yeah. Anyone else who is meticulously working on the notes part? Anyone?
Yes, Saurabh.
Yeah, Ravi.
Yeah, I'm working. I'm currently doing a course in data science from Udemy, and
Okay.
I'm working currently preparing notes on statistics and machine learning, probability, also.
Simultaneously. That is good. That is
Yeah,
good. So you are preparing in your
yeah,
hand
you
notes.
can. Yeah, yeah, hand notes.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is good. This is really good. Anyone else doing something similar
I,
like that?
and I'm also working on a machine learning course on YouTube that is Educare.
Okay, okay,
I did not know about that name, but I'm working on it. Also, regression coding and machine learning skill and
okay,
etc.
okay. Thank you, Ravi, for sharing your insights. Anyone else working very meticulously on the notes part? You may raise your hands. I can see those who have already. Okay,
हाँ
Dhruv,
सौरभ
Rumil. Yeah,
सौरभ
yeah,
ये
Tarun.
हाँ तो
Yeah, Mahesh. Yeah, someone is speaking. Sorry, I could not hear.
सौरभ हाँ
Yeah,
वो
Dhrumil, yeah.
यस वो पाइथन वो जो मैं कोर्सेरा से कर रहा हूँ उसकी भी नोट्स बना रहा हूँ और जो आपने वो स्टैटिस्टिक्स वाला जो वीडियो भेजा था उसको साथ साथ ही नोट्स बना रहे हैं
Very fantastic. Very
हाँ
fantastic. Very nice. महेश काफी सारे नोट्स बन रहे हैं. We are still not able to hear. Anyone else is able to hear his voice? Sorry, Mahesh. Probably there is some issue with your mic and connections. No worries. Okay, all right. So what I understood from here is that most people are working on it. Couple of people are working towards their why factor. Okay, laying down the goals and the plan. Many people have working on their how part. मतलब कैसे foundation layout करना है and all. And now many students have already started on implementing the things. That is really really good. See, पूरी journey के in the whole journey, what is the most critical and crucial important part is to prepare notes. I am emphasizing it again. You will go through thousands of videos. You will go through multiple of blogs. You will go through YouTube videos. You will earn a lot of 20, 25, 30 certifications. Those things won't matter because you won't remember anything and everything. The only thing that you will remember is I mean, there are frameworks, that 5 frameworks that I also talk about. The only thing that you will remember is that first you understand to read and listen. Step number 1. Then you understand it. Once you understand it, then you have to get into some discussions. Prepare notes accordingly. And on those notes, once you are done, then you start implementing it. Okay, so implementation is the last stage. In fact, many a times people, I mean, once they have understood a particular thing, they went ahead and implemented. That is a fantastic way to listen, understand and learn things. But the most second crucial aspect is that to prepare the notes. And you have to prepare notes. Even if you're watching a very small video, 2 minutes or 5 minutes video, must make notes. That is the most crucial important thing that I'm telling you. Whatever the things I'm going to teach you, I'm going to deliver you in the next 1 month or so, exactly those things will be asked in you during your interviews. Notes is such an important thing. In fact, not in the course curriculum itself, even for your own life, whatever the journey, if you want to analyze yourself, how you were 2 years back and how are you right now, if you have taken some notes out of your own personal life journey, right, so you will be able to understand how your growth curve was. Even if I ask you कि अभी 15 दिन पहले तुम्हारा माइंडसेट कैसा था, यदि आपको खुद ही नहीं पता है, नोट डाउन ही नहीं किया कि मेरा माइंडसेट उस समय अंडरस्टैंडिंग कैसी थी, नाउ you won't be able to understand कि मेरा growth कैसे हुआ. You won't be able to understand your own patterns, your own behaviors. And because resume is not only about गए और strength and weaknesses लिख दिया. Strength, to understand the strength and weaknesses, it is a life continuous process. And the more early better you understand find out your strengths and weaknesses, your passion, the more you will be able to understand it. It helps you to build your own, even in the corporate world, right? Whenever your manager or the teammates were discussing, right, make a lot of notes. Whatever the things, the topics, the keywords that are being discussed, and a lot of things are there during the knowledge sharing session, the KT session. Okay, is it lagging? Is my voice lagging, guys? A bit small? No? Okay.
No.
Okay, maybe it is a problem from your side. I'm recording the session. We'll be sharing by the end of date because today I'm free. Okay, Saturday is a holiday. Okay, all right. So what I was saying is that notes preparation is not only important for this course and curriculum, but it is very, 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 very important in every phase of your life as well. For your personal journey, even if you are going in the corporates, whatever the things that are being discussed in your teammates, from the boss, from the managers and all, do take a lot of notes. Okay. I prefer, I would suggest you to make notes online or make notes digitally, because that will retain you from. पर अभी खुद तुम एक्सपीरियंस कर लो ना, गेट के नोट्स हमने बना के रखे हैं, 5 साल बाद गेट के नोट्स वो कहाँ रहेंगे? जिसका पीडीएफ है वो 10 साल से वी आर स्टडिंग, मतलब पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, राइट? इधर यू कैन जस्ट क्लिक अ फोटो एंड कन्वर्ट इट इनटू पीडीएफ, बट व्हाई आर यू डूइंग दोस टीडियस टास्क्स? The another perk of making notes digitally is that you can go back again, and whatever, if you have understood a particular things in a different way, you can go ahead and explain it in a different way so that you would be able to understand it. See, what I wanted to do is that don't do a lot of courses, 10, 20, 30 courses. Don't rush on getting the certificates. Certificates से कुछ value नहीं होता. Company understand कि certificates are selling just for the कुछ पैसे के लिए, and it is selling them for free. Don't rush into that. Show your skill set based through your projects. जैसे मैंने क्या बोला कि मुझको क्या है, पावर बीआई आता है, राइट? ये मैंने बोला सर्टिफिकेशन है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर बीआई सर्टिफिकेशन को, दैट इज गुड, वेरी गुड. अनदर पर्सन नवजीत है, वो थोड़ा घबराया डरा सा मैं सर यार मेरे पास सर्टिफिकेशन नहीं है, क्या करूं? एंड व्हाट ही हैज डन इज दैट ही हैज वेंट अहेड, ही हैज क्रिएटेड अ ब्यूटीफुल डैशबोर्ड आउट ऑफ पावर बीआई, ही हैज पुट इट इनटू सम प्लेटफॉर्म्स और समवेयर, ही हैज डायरेक्टली गिवन द लिंक्स and he has put in some key points that this is the project that I did, here are the key couple of points that I understood in that project. He do not have to spend money and to earn the certification as it. The experience, the understanding part, the implementation part that you have already done, those exactly parts company will be asking, and interviews will be done schedule, and you'll be able to talk about for next 10 to 15 minutes or so. But एक line certification लिख दिया, I learned the certificate, it's just something like that, giving that particular topic of both. He can ask it from anywhere and everywhere, right? He has the opportunity. And that's where becoming notes is very important. So we'll do the project simultaneously and prepare. I want you to watch that 9 hour of videos, 12-hour video or so. Watch it very diligently, very beautifully explained. He has explained very beautifully. Fundamental पूरा एकदम clear कर देता, foundation. But take a lot of notes. Watch it very slowly. That's why I given you 2 days of time to go back, revisit again and again and again. Because until unless you won't put effort, right, my whole efforts will be in vain. See, understand this. After 1 month of journey, where I'm preparing is that I'm reducing this 10 months of journey, compressing into just 1 month. So the thing is that the things that you will be there after 10 months of journey, you will be eligible to prepare, give your interviews. I'm telling you, if you just stick with me, whatever the things I'm doing it, if you take out additional time, probably wake up early, half an hour early in the morning and sleep half an hour late in the night, and you devote that time into learning these opportunities, you will be able to get internship in just, you'll be eligible to get internship and have a very beautiful resume in the next 2 months. This is what exactly I'm targeting. This is what exactly is my milestone. All right, I'll also share what are the tips and tricks, how to expand the network's connection, how to optimize your profile in the LinkedIn as well, how to approach to the people, and how you can create a pull magnet rather than pushing your resume or video to the people. People will directly come to you and they will ask you, hey, would you like to join my company or not? This is exactly happened to me, and I wanted to share these things with you. But until unless तुम्हारे पास कुछ है ही नहीं skill set, you won't be able to attract that magnet to yourself. So work on this very diligently, very meticulously. One of the students who is already here, he recently got one of his job. We were working together for the last 2 months or so. Recently got his job. He's just started this week itself. Right, so things will come true, opportunity will be there, but the only variable is you. You have to put a lot of efforts in making notes. I'm stressing it again. I asked a lot of people, they didn't mention a lot of things about making notes. Yeah, there are a couple of students who are already doing that, very good. But do it meticulously. Go back again. अभी क्या होगा? Mathematics पढ़ रहे हैं. Then again, what will happen is that before the interview, I mean, whenever preparing for the interviews, right? They will ask you. There will be a couple of definition for the same topic. For example, let's say you wanted to make the interviewer understand what is the importance of unsupervised learning. So you will give the basic definition. You will give him layman definition. Probably you will go ahead and give a beautiful example so that you can connect it directly. And then you will talk about some mathematics model as well, some mathematics behind it. So this is the step. But ये चीजें एक बार ही में नहीं होंगी. इस चीजों के लिए आपको you have to read again and then go back to your notes. Read again, understand, and then go back to your notes. I can share you exactly the short notes right away, but I am not doing that. It will be just like कि भाई पढ़ना है क्या पढ़ना है क्या पढ़ना है 100 बुक दे दिया मैंने 10 बुक दे दी पढ़ो भाई ये पढ़ लोगे तो हो जाएगा. But no. Stick to one topic, stick to one block and complete it meticulously. I shared those 2 blocks. That's why I shared 2 blocks. And still people, I can see that people have not completed that 2 blocks. And that really depressed me. Why? Because there are only 2 blocks. I did not ask you to go ahead and do multiple courses. Yes, feel free to do that, but give this as a priority. Why? Because this is the foundation I'm teaching you. You will be able to understand many other things in the later part of your time. Understand this. Building the foundation is very, very important. Right now, if I ask you what is the hypothesis testing, what is the G-test, T-test, you won't be able to answer it. What is the ANOVA test, you won't be able to answer it. What are the 5 assumptions of linear regression, you won't be able to answer, but it was covered in the session number 2. If those things you are not able to answer it, you must include your notes and revise it daily. Revise it. Give a time, 1 week or time, 2 weeks of time. Revise it. Data analyst के लिए fundamental of EDA part is very, very important. Very extensive questions are asked in the EDA and data types. Which type of machine learning you should select before just by seeing the data. This is an art, you know. If I send you particular data, right, you need to do the EDA and understand which data is of which type and which machine learning algorithm should be applied. That is an art. And until unless you won't understand the type of data, the EDA part, you won't be able to apply a particular machine learning model. So forget about CNN deep learning. Those are advanced things. I'm not talking about that. But build the foundation first. Make a lot of notes. That's what I'm telling you. Otherwise, फिर ऐसा होगा ना कि चीजें छूट जाएंगी. फिर वो there will be cut. Something will be lacking. So understand this. You don't have to. For example, let's say now Gaurav is running a 100-meter race. All right. And even if there is some small, he is wearing a very nice shoe to run, a very nice running shoe to do a 100-meter race, right? And even there is a small particle in his wing, he won't feel much of a difference because his journey is very small, 100-meter race, right? Mahesh, he's here, he wanted to give a marathon race of a lifetime. It's about 2 years or next 2 years or maybe 5-10 years of the journey ahead in the analytics, right? And even if there is a very small hindrance, right? That hindrance will create a lot of fatigue in Mahesh because of that small. So don't do that. It's not just a small sprint. It's a marathon, right? So build the foundation strong. But make a lot of notes. So again, that's why I give you 2 days. But again, go back again. Read only one video. Lekin diligently make notes. Okay. So moving ahead today, what I will be talking about is that the topic of the today's session is itself sharpen your tools. So basically, we talked about the basic framework. What is the analytics? What is the tools? What are the techniques? How is the foundation? All right. So we understood the basic framework. We will dig deeper into the techniques as well, algorithms. In fact, we have already gone through a couple of algorithms, right? Basic understanding of it. So now what we'll do is that we'll go ahead and understand what is the path of sharpening the tools. So there are two aspects of it. For example, we talked about, right, we need to understand the Excel part, some advanced Excel, and some VBA. VBA, if you have a VBA, that is a very good thing. Okay, so I'll be sharing a couple of courses as well. The thing is that, no, again, वही चीज दोबारा आ जाती है. Keep it as a very specific to them, please. Before going to interview, I will tell you. In fact, there are a couple of things people have already shared in their YouTube channel as well and other resources as well. There are only 10 to 12 questions in the Excel that you need to learn. Questions during the interview are asked from those 10 to 12 areas only in the Excel. Someone was asking about Excel, right? Which course should register and which course should understand? That is a good thing, Ravi. That is a good thing. But again, you are approaching the way as in, what is the way? You are approaching by the book wala part. You're reading the 1,000 pages of books. Don't do that. Don't do that. First, understand 10 to 12 short notes. Understand the things, what are the main important aspects of it. And then once you understood it, you feel yourself comfortable, then go deeper into register into very beautiful course and then understand with the very foundation. Okay, I talked about, right? See, I'm not telling it's a bad thing that you have already registered, you wanted to register in some courses or not. I'm not saying that. Even if many people have already registered in the Python courses, machine learning courses, that is good. That is good. That is a good thing. Reading from books is not a bad thing. But what I'm telling you is that in order to move forward in a very fast track, you need to apply that black box learning technique that I mentioned in the previous session. You need to have fast track. So prioritize things on those basis. So what I will do is that the next step would be to go through the cheat sheets, just to basic fundamental understanding what are the cheat sheets, what are the fundamentals. Once you understand those cheat sheets, then I'll be suggesting you to register a couple of courses on Coursera, probably some free courses I'll be also be sharing to go through the Udemy, and then you go ahead with that. Like at the same time, revise your notes, revise the cheat sheets first. Understand those, what are the top 50 interview level questions. Okay, what are the top 10 buzzing questions in the market? What are the top 20 questions, 50 questions from Excel? What are the top 50 questions from statistics? What are top 50 questions from machine learning algorithms? What are top 50 questions from Power BI? Top 20 questions, right? First, understand that, because this is my because I have seen to understand the foundation in such a way, and then you go ahead and dig deeper into it. Open a particular box and then understand into very depth. Okay. All right. So tell me, who does not know how to get financial aid from Coursera? Raise your hand. Okay, Mahesh, Ravi. Okay, ठीक है. मतलब couple of people, Udit also don't know. Okay, fine. So there is this thing. You can go to the Coursera. Okay. What you will do is that you can select a particular course. There is an option of financial aid. You apply it there. There will be couple of questions that will be asked there. Just Google it, write down anything, and you will get a financial aid within 15 days. Okay, once you are registered, get the financial aid, you will be able to complete the course and as well as get the certification from very reputed colleges from across the world, from Australia, from USA, from NIT, from Stanford, wherever you want it, right? You can just go ahead. So course, I have done more than 20 plus courses and never paid anything. In fact, if you come to IIT Kanpur, they have also collaborated with that. So in that way, you will be also be able to. So note down, first thing, visit the Coursera and then you can go ahead and apply for the financial aid. Second thing, in the Coursera itself, there is a very important thing called course projects. Course project, right? Project section is there. You can just type any keywords and search a particular course project. Those are just a 2 hours of project. Many times those are free. Many times if those are not free, they will be able to walk you through. So what will happen is that 2 things will happen. First, through those, firstly, they are very official, and I mean these are good sources of things, the courses. Secondly, they are very basic courses, because 2 hours के अंदर जितना वो बता पाएंगे उतना ही बताएंगे, and then you can just go through it. There will be recorded sessions. You can have your own environment as well. You won't be able to download the course. Probably you can write down in your local host on the network, Google Colab or so. Then I will tell you about those things as well, and then you can save it. Once that is done, what you can do is that you can do 2 things on a priority basis. First, you have to upload in your GitHub repository. The simple, go ahead and create a repository and you will be able to upload it. GitHub पे, और दूसरी चीज उसी का डिस्क्रिप्शन यू कैन पुट इट इन योर LinkedIn प्रोजेक्ट सेक्शन. जब LinkedIn section की जाएंगे हो, there is a part section of project. Remove all the previous projects because now you wanted to optimize your profile for analytics. You're not looking for job in civil engineering, mechanical engineering, textile, agriculture, or whatsoever. Okay, so put those projects over there. So these are very small projects. You will be able to just to kickstart yourself. So copy pasted it, and third thing is that you will be able to earn a certificate. तो पूरा पैकेज मिल गया आपको, प्रोजेक्ट का सर्टिफिकेट मिल गया, किक स्टार्ट बेसिक की हो गई, साथ ही साथ यू वेंट अहेड एंड अपलोडेड ऑन अ गिटहब एज वेल एज ऑन अ लिंक्डइन. So that LinkedIn के अंदर आपको जब keywords होगा तो automatically companies and HRs will be able to filter out those keywords and your profile will be on the top so that they can approach you. Okay, so these are the very basics. So first thing, we need to register for the courses, we need to get the financial aid. Financial aid के लिए online आप Coursera पे, you can Coursera जा सकते हो, other website पे भी जा सकते हो. You can find out what are the things that you need to write it down. Even after one day, you are not able to find out a particular material, which is very highly unlikely. Okay, yeah, thank you Shivam. Let me share this, add to my drive as well. Okay, how to get the financial aid. So okay, so Shivam has already shared it. So these things will be very helpful, how to get a financial aid. Feel free to talk to your teammates, okay, because it's a collaborative effort, right? So talk to your teammates, those who have already able to put a financial aid, and register as many as courses as you want. There is no limit ki bhai there's a time deadline and all. Jitne bhi courses mein you can register, feel free to register, and then register there and then start your learning from there. Secondly, I'll also be sharing couple of things from the Udemy courses. I'll be sharing which are the free courses. You can just go ahead and register it and learn at your own pace. But whatever things that you are doing, what is the most important thing is to prepare the notes. Okay, complete only one subject, but do prepare notes because those exact notes will be helpful before your interview. Second thing what I wanted to cover is that a couple of courses that I was suggesting in Excel. एक्सेल के अंदर देखिए दो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट वेबसाइट्स हैं. फर्स्ट आई कवर्ड एक्सेल फ्रॉम ऑस्ट्रेलिया यूनिवर्सिटी, दैट आई विल बी शेयरिंग द लिंक फ्रॉम द Coursera itself. Basics and intermediate courses are good. You can also go ahead and register for intermediate level 2 and advanced courses. Okay. Secondly, Havish M Consulting. He has a very beautifully designed Havish M Consulting. I guess we get only one chapter. Oh, I guess we get only one chapter out of the whole courses at a time to our one financial aid. Is it? Navjeet, could you please unmute yourself and then talk about it?
Saurabh, actually, what happened was that I applied for IBM data science project, and there I got only one chapter out of the whole course for the financial aid.
Okay,
so
how many times did you apply?
I guess once only.
Exactly.
Once
so
only. So
you will be getting for the first courses always. There is a specialization, I guess, for 8 to 9 courses, right? So you need to apply for every individual courses. Even if you have already gone through the specialization, right? You have to visit each and every section, and for each and every courses you have to apply for 9 times to get the to get the whole specialization certificate courses. Okay, so apply it for again.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
Yeah. So I'll be. There are a couple of good things. Thanks Shivam. Thanks Navjeet. Thanks Vikrama. Okay. So yeah, I'll be collecting these websites as well, and then I'll be sharing it to you as well. So once that is done, secondly, note it down. Havish M Consulting. His website, his courses are very fantastic. Many a times he conducts a lot of mock sessions. I mean, lot of workshops in various colleges as well. So go ahead. He also gives a lot of discounts to students. You can just directly approach him on LinkedIn and say hello, hi. And then you can ask for coupons. He'll be able to help you accordingly. If your students talk about, yes, I'm pursuing this from this IIT and so, I would like to register for your master classes and I would like to get a particular coupon for Power BI or let's say Excel and so. Second, if you really want a very decent job, many people do not want a lot of things. Many people do not want to go dig deeper into the CNN or deep machine learning part, a very machine learning type of algorithm, right? Those are having very hard time understanding the mathematics behind it. Those people can move into the field which are data analyst, visualization part, right? And there comes Power BI. Power BI is one of the most fantastic tools which you can leverage to get a very decent job. minimum 8 to 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs of job. If you, that's what I'm saying, no, if you just master one particular tools, that is Power BI, 8 to 12 lakhs package is a done deal for you. It is a done deal for you. And before that, you have to invest in yourself. For example, the second is there, let me tell you his name. His Power BI courses are very good, but very nice. Lokesh Lalwani. Lokesh Lalwani. I have experienced it. There are other courses as well. I mean, you can feel free to explore those things. But these are just suggestions that you can register yourself. So he conducts a master session where he used to give particular coupons as well. So you go ahead with that, your master session. I mean, it will be a very end-to-end, very meticulous course. I have not registered it there. If you want, you can register it. This is some paid courses. It is approximately 9 to 10,000, but it is worth it. It should be worth it. I'm not sure about it, but it should be worth it because his results are speaking accordingly. I found it. Okay. Coming to the second point, VBA, right? So VBA is that the course that I did on Coursera, right? Coursera VBA course. That course was mostly towards the mathematics formulation of the. But again, it will be a good thing to add in your resume. So what is our priority? Try to understand. We'll be learning the tools and techniques. We'll be doing the projects. We'll be earning a lot of certificates as well. But see, the priority itself is that firstly we'll talk about the projects, whatever the tools and techniques we can cover. Even there is some gap, right? For example, I did not do any projects related to SQL. What I smartly did was that I get a certification of SQL with data science. That's why I added it. But what is the priority? To get a projects out of it. Secondly, I was not able to create a good project in VBA. But what I did was that I get a very small certification from Coursera, VBA, Excel VBA course. Okay, you are free to explore other Excel VBA courses as well. But I will be suggesting which VBA course that I did. It's a very fundamental course, very advanced level. But I did only first part of it. Okay. Coming to the next parts, this thing then Lokesh Lalwani is covered. Let me share my screen, whatever things I have. I couldn't miss anything. All right. So this is the website of Havish M Consulting. Couple of things that he covers. There is a package as well, Power BI, Visual Data Analytics, Visualization Tool. He's a very good person. We used to talk to him. We were about to conduct a session in IIT Kanpur, but it was. And then Tableau, Excel, VLOOKUPs function, and other as well. So you can go ahead and buy a particular bundle for the same as well, Excel Bible, thing like that. Then we have this Lokesh Lalwani. You can register for his courses as well. His courses are little much costlier than the Havish M. Feel free to explore it. You guys are already getting a lot of stipends, right? Once you will get the stipend, be registered over here. Okay, external masterclass, beginner to advanced, $49, 3,500. Similarly, you can get some other courses as well. Okay, and then moving back, I've created a small draft here. I'll be sharing this as well. So Excel must do, VBA done, Power BI at least one project, SQL hands-on project. So it's coming up. Okay. And then placement crash course later on, projects in the resume. Yeah, diversification. Okay. Yeah, right. So couple of things, then advanced coding crash course. Okay. So this is exactly what I was saying, right? The companies are looking for applied knowledge. So don't fill your resume with the certificates. Show your expertise via projects. That is the priority, right? They are looking for applied knowledge. मतलब आप certificate कर सकते हो, कुछ भी वो पूछ लेंगे. Coming to the courses, this is the Excel courses for business essentials. Very beautiful courses. This you can register. Prashant, Karunarate, Nikable. And then this is the specialization. So basically, there are multiple courses for the same. I mean, the specialization, Excel skills for business specialization. So you have to again register again for all the courses separately for financial aid, right? So you can click on the financial aid and then you can apply for the financial aid also, and then get it verified for the next after next 15 days. In fact, it exactly gives you the part. This is the second Excel VBA that I was talking about. It was most times mathematics oriented, most of the physics based oriented, mathematics calculation. But yeah, you will enjoy understanding the part of it. So the good part is that you will get a good certificate that you can add to your resume. If you can do a small project based on this out of VBA where you have applied some VBA techniques, so feel free to add that. That would be better than this. VBA part 2, VBA part 3. Okay, then Power BI, you can register in the Microsoft Power BI as well, so to understand the basics of the Power BI. But again, second thing, this is the guided project that I was talking about, right? So you can just type any keywords here and then write a guided project, or else you can uh, filter it here, right? Courses, specialization, professional certificates and degrees, and you can click on the guided projects to get a guided project. So this is a very basic 2 hours of Power BI desktop, a guided project that you can start with. Just basically the beginner it does not require anything. You can just directly enroll it and get the certification. You can get the certification, split video, don't download it, and you'll be able to create a beautiful dashboard out of it. So yeah, this is guided projects are very good. I mean, I did a couple of projects that I did even had some basic understanding of it. But again, I did the basic understanding and did some guided projects. These things are good. And yeah, so this would be all for today. I mean, this is exactly what I wanted to share. So right, so what the next steps for you would be, for you the next steps would be to go ahead today itself, to go ahead and apply for the financial aid. Set a timer, apply this Pomodoro technique, write it down. Pomodoro technique, it is used for multitasking. What you can do is that you can fix a particular amount of time, let's say 30 minutes or 1 hour or so, and then keep every distractions away. Now you have given instructions to your mind consciously, I mean forcefully, okay, in the 60 minutes what I have to do is that only these things I have to do. I do not have to focus in any other thing. Sit for that 30 minutes or 60 minutes or so. Focus on applying the financial aid, registering for the course, and then once your time is complete, you are done with that, just leave it, don't ever think about it. Let it get approved in the next 15 days, and then you can plan it accordingly. In between the next 15 days, in fact today itself, along with this notes, the playlist that I have created and the team presentation that you people have already done, I'll be sharing those details as well. Next, moving forward, I'll be sharing a particular project where a basics of statistics tools and the machine learning algorithms will be applied, and then you have to go back and again explore as a team wise. I'll walk you through again. So this is the next step that you will be doing. So along with that, what you have to do is that first you have to register for the courses as of now by today itself, so that it can get, because if you delay it, right, it will get delayed for the next time, and then once your college is about to start, then you won't be able to give enough amount of time in that as well. Okay, so if you do it fast paced, you'll be able to get internship. Otherwise, if you have, see again I'm going back, if you have a target or a dream, a goal to achieve, to get a internship after 1 year or so, then you are good, then it is okay. But if you are target to get a decent job right away, to get a part-time job right away, to get a decent project right away, to get a decent part-time internship right away, to get a decent part-time internship during the nights itself, दिन में आपने पढ़ाई की, नाइट में आप किसी यूएसए के क्लाइंट से और यूके या फिर सम अदर टाइम ऑस्ट्रेलिया के टाइमिंग से यू कैन गेट अ वेरी ऑफ वर्क फ्रॉम होम टाइप ऑफ जॉब, राइट? So if you wanted to do explore some other opportunities as well to add, it will be added to your resume, you can start it right now. So if you have that kind of goal, then only this pushing, this struggle, this hustle will work for you. Otherwise this will become a very redundant for you. Goal was not there, man. And if your goal is not clear, your why is not clear, you won't be able to push a lot of efforts. I gave that example, simple example. सामने की बिल्डिंग में मेरा कोई जान पहचान वाला नहीं है, यदि आग लगी हुई है मैं उतना केयर नहीं करूंगा, लेकिन यदि आग लगी हुई है कोई मेरे घर का परिवार वाला यदि वहां पे है, आई विल डू एनीथिंग व्हाट एंड हाउ, आई मुझको किसी बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, आई विल डू वट एवर द थिंग्स, हाउ एवर द थिंग्स आई विल डू, आई विल गो देयर एंड सेव. दैट इज द पावर ऑफ वाई. विल पावर अपने आप डिफाइन हो जाता है, ठीक है, इच्छा शक्ति आ जाएगी, पावर ऑफ वाई स्ट्रॉन्ग रहे. Power of why, willpower, power of will, these four are intertwined together. And then comes the discipline. Motivation will be there until unless your why, your goals are not created, motivation will come and motivation will fade away. You have to put into a discipline. right? You have to be consistent. You have to give small efforts daily, and that's where the magic comes. And that's where I was also able to do multiple things, because कोई भी छोटा सी चीज करूंगा लेकिन आई एम डूइंग इट कंटिन्यूअसली डेली कंसिस्टेंसी, एंड दैट्स वेयर द पावर कम्स. Even though many a times I'm feeling very bad, very low motivation is there, people are not supporting me, I have to clap for myself. No, Saurabh, you can do it, you have to do it, because your why factor is clear, your goals are clear. And that's why be very clear about that, ki what exactly you want in the next 2 to 3 months. If you have that dream, okay, 3 months back I want a particular decent job, very good job in the next before winter internship, I wanted to apply for the companies and get a winter internship as well, then this hustle, this struggle will be worth for you. Okay, so what I will say, along with these things, I'll be sharing a particular couple of Kaggle platforms where you have to explore the platform. For those who don't know how to explore the Kaggle platform, I'll walk you through in the next 2 minutes or so, and then I'll be asking you to go through those notebooks, understand it, how they have taken the data, what the codes they have done it, what Python codes they have written it, what is the next steps for them, how is the understanding coming along. For two things, you need to understand the business point of view, you need to understand, not remember. Like, I'm not asking you to learn the codes. See, there is a difference between coding that software people do and difference between the data analyst or machine learning engineers, right? If the part comes as an algorithm building, then again you need to have a very understanding of the optimization techniques and multiple other algorithms. But whenever these things are coming, no, I mean to do the EDA, to understand the data, to get the insights of it, you just have to go and copy paste things. You need to understand things, you don't have to remember things. If you do it repeatedly, it will automatically feed it into your brain. तो तुमको फिर याद हो जाएगा. In fact, there are multiple tools that you can plug into your system. Even if you write one or couple of keywords, it will automatically suggest a particular thing. Recently, GitHub and one of the company collaborated with them. They have created a beautiful prediction module where we just type a particular keyword and it will write a code for you. Couple of codes it will automatically write for you. We are itself, many companies are building on a no code platform. But again, in order to leverage and understand that no code platform, you need to understand the foundation, how the codes are working. No one is left behind. Even if you're HR, right? If you wanted to understand how the candidates' behavior pattern is, what are the top candidates, how to do the filtering, because there are billions, trillions of data, right? So in order to understand the behavioral pattern, you have to apply these advanced analytical tools as an HR analytic. And that's where some thoda part of algorithmic customization, fine tuning, understanding the basics of these things are coming into the picture. So that's it. You just have to understand it. So don't get काफी डरो नहीं कि ये पाइथन डायरेक्टली वी आर जंपिंग इनटू. जस्ट गो देयर, व्हाट जो भी चीजें उसमें लिखी हुई जस्ट देख लो, उसको समझ लो, okay, and note it down in a separate notebook. Okay, this is the Python notes, and then go with the multiple flows, understand the notebook. And then next time I want two teams to give a presentation, and those two teams should not be from the teams who have already presented it. So I want you to come forward and give your names once I share the particular notebooks. Okay, so for example, I'll be sharing in a couple of hours, maybe by the end of the evening, I will finding out the good relevant notebook for you. And by the end of today, those people who have not given any presentation, this is your moment of opportunity to give a presentation, because I can see those people who are giving presentation are able to go through the blogs and the notes and able to present in a very beautiful way. I understand in a very beautiful way. Their notes are done, their blogs readings are done, their videos going through walkthrough are done. But those people who are little lag behind, who are not very actively involved, they are not able to deliver it, right? So this is it. This is what exactly I was trying to say. The only variable is you. You have to put the efforts. Okay, so let me walk through it. So we'll take the questions later. Okay, so let me just open the Kaggle and walk you through. There may be some other platforms as well, Google Colab and a couple of other platforms, but I'm not going to that because I want you to understand that Kaggle has we already know that data science ki handbook wo likhi hui thi. What are the importance of Kaggle? It is very readily available. Question papers are there. Very readily available business statements there, right? It is a platform where you can directly, easily, you would be able to. It's opening up. It is a platform where you will be able to go through the multiple notebooks that the people have already shared there, right? You can just go ahead and just copy those notebooks in your own coding section. You will be allotted a couple of CPU, TPU, and GPU along with the RAM and hard disk, cloud based, and then you will be able to run those codes for yourself and understand the codes. If you wanted to, you can edit in your codes, and then you can run the program and then download the codes locally for your files as well. And once you are very familiar with the basic platform, understanding the business competition and all, you will be able to participate in the you are encouraged to participate in the multiple competitions that are shared over here as well. Okay, so let me walk through it. For example, let's say this is a particular project, right? Petals to metal classification. Let's say this is the project. CMDB box. So this is the overview of the project. Petal to metal classification, flower classification on TPU, getting started with TPU on Kaggle. You can see the Kaggle 997 teams are participating. This competition is still going on. It will show you what are the description. It will tell you about what are the TPU. Also will tell you to understand about the TPU from this next video section. It will talk about the challenges. What is the challenge? So it will talk about the business problem. There are over 5,000 species of the mammal, 10,000 species of the bird, and so and so. In this competition, you are challenged to build a ML model that identifies the type of the flowers of the data set. For simplicity, we are sticking to only 100 types. Okay. And then there are a couple of questions, and if you have anything that you can write it them down. Okay, this is the question. And now in the next section, you can find in this next tab is the data. So you'll be able to it's recommended that you use the data set in the platform, Kaggle platform itself. So this is they were talking about the descriptions as well. What are the types of the data? So we understood now what are the various types of the, then you will be able to understand what are the various types of the data are available. Train file is there, validation file is there, test file is there. We'll discuss more about it. Abhi hum black box की तरह जा रहे हैं, okay? Multiple label are there, ID is there, then labels are there, two type of data classification model. Then people have already, if they have already submitted couple of codes, you'll be able to go through those codes as well. So right now, okay, let's say, so this is the notebook that the people have already shared, right? So you can filter it out based on the most votes, most comments, recently created, recently run, best score, relevance, and hotness. So you can you'll be able to filter it out, and you are able to go through the codes that people have already trained the model for. For example, flower classification, image classification, petal to metals, flower classification, something like that. So what people do is that they do the coding and then they submit as a public as well. Many people do as a private as well. You can keep it to a private until unless you submit it, and then they talk about what is the workflow of it. You can go ahead once you create you are feel free to vote as well. You will be able to comment as well. You will be able to ask question to those persons as well. So you can see that what is it doing is that you can see a very quick version of here on the right hand side. So this is the notebook, okay, and then there is an import function, then CPU strategy, importing data, exploring the data, defining the model. So this is the basic framework that they are doing, and it will be able to understand. Just basic. There are something. So what you need to understand is there is something that you need to import. Okay. If you wanted to understand what is the import, just Google it. What is import, and just get the gist of it. Okay, import is doing something, importing a math function and RE function and OS function. That's it. No need to understand what all the functions that math function is getting here. Okay, that we'll discuss later. To understand कि something import it is doing. Okay, so then TPU strategy, something try and accept is there. These things are happening. If else codes are there. If मतलब ये किया तो ये होगा, else किया तो ये होगा, something like that. Importing data set, you can directly import from the Kaggle data sets as well, directly importing it. So just ऐसे जैसे मतलब what is written from Kaggle data set import. So just a very simple English meaning, right? From a Kaggle data set, there is something which is a module, you can importing a particular data set as a function. In that function you are importing that thing. These are basics. Understand this, show the hidden code. You can go through the hidden codes as well. So what I want you to do is that visit those notebooks. These are called notebooks. You can visit those notebooks where people have explained a lot of things. So for example, this person has not explained a lot of things. Okay, He has just copied, pasted, run the models, and then showed you the results. Like at the very end, you can find that pre-processing the date, predicting the test results and all. He's just using, and he has taken some references that he had done. First thing, what I want you to do is that I want you to go ahead and understand people who have already explained a lot of things there. Okay, for example, if you search it, let me see if things are available there. Data wrangling, let it open. I open it here. Let it open. Okay. Similarly, you can find that there are other people who are already using the other notebooks. So what you can do is, for example, let's say you wanted to edit this particular thing. Where you wanted to edit this introduction. So right, this person has written something, right? So welcome to the petal model. So in this tutorial, we'll be doing something like that. Okay. You can fork this notebook and then copy and edit. So he's talking about something like what is the step 1, what is the step 2. So in the step 1, he's talking about, we'll begin with the importing several Python packages. All right. In the step 2, he's talking about something he will be using TensorFlow. What is the TensorFlow? He's talking about it. TensorFlow is something, it is using its own accelerator, and then we'll run the particular this cells as well. Moving ahead, he's also talking about the step 3 is to load the computation data. In order to use the computation data, we'll be using Google Cloud Storage bucket. So you can use the Kaggle GCC bucket in the following, just like the following dataset. And then he's talking about further other things, creating the data pipeline, and then multiple other things, and talking about the exploring the data part. So basically, you can display the single batch of the image with the other helper function and then accelerate. So what I wanted to understand is understand these things. Find a notebook which has explained these things very beautifully. Okay, and then you will be able to understand those things. For example, let's say this notebook, right? This person has Dynic. I was about to share this. It has 2,000 approximately upvotes, right? EDA models, it is also there. So you can go ahead to these notebooks where people have given a lot of votes based on votes. You can filter it based on their comments as well. Okay. And once you go there, see, you will be able to see a lot of things are mentioned here. And that's where you'll be able to understand. Function used in the kernel, data loading and overview. Data exploration, what is the data exploration? Many a times, see, binning is being done here. So some part you will be able to understand. Okay. And then it will also talk about what are the, it has 77 unique non-positive values. Skewness. Now you are understanding if some non-positive value is there. Okay, skewness. What is skewness? It is a property of graph statistics का part है, right? So go ahead and Google it and keep and अपने notes में लिख लो. Even if you don't understand it, just write those keywords. Okay, there are some missing values. So what we'll do is that we'll do this equal and something like that. We'll read the missing values, something they were talking about. So this is the fundamentals of EDA that it is doing. Multiple plots he's preparing, various type of data sets he's using. Feature engineering, he will talk about what is the feature engineering. Let's create some aggregation, the non-logic terms, simply aggregate the top features and all. So similarly, once that is done, what you can go ahead is that you can click on the, let's say you wanted to edit this particular model, right? So you will go ahead and click on the copy and edit at your top right corner, right? Just create, yes, I understand it. By clicking understand the click button, and then you will be able to directly jump to your own notebook. Okay, so this is the basic notebook that you will be able to run through. So the notebook will start for you. The kernel will provide a particular GPU, TPU for you, cloud-based platforms, and then you will be able to run the codes. So the codes that have already been done there, you'll be able to run those, leverage those codes, directly copy paste those codes. You'll be able to write down your own codes additional to that, and then you'll be able to save the version and you can be able to share it as well. Okay, so let it load. It is taking a lot of time. So this is the fundamental of this is the thing that you will also be receiving the various Python models, for example, PyCharm or Jupyter Notebook, or you can use it in a Spider Notebook, right? VS Code, Google Collaboratory as well. So it completes the whole package. I also participated in a particular competition last this summer. The competition name was Tweet Sentiment Analysis. Run the summation network. This is dead. NLP 0.715. This is my competition. We participated it. I collaborated with the BTech student from IIT Kanpur, and we participated in this particular competition. Okay. For Titanic. So see how beautifully he is talking about, right? How beautifully he is talking about. So he is talking about part 1 is EDA analysis, part 2 is feature engineering, part 3 is predictive modeling and ensembling methods. So part 1 के अंदर ये चीजें होगी. Understanding is now this is why we do the EDA. So we'll talk about it. कि out of 891 passengers in the training set, there are only 350 survived. That is only 38.4% of the total target set survived the crash. Then we'll talk about first we will try to check what are the survival rate of the different features of the data set. Some of the features will be sex, port of embarkation, age, etc. So let us first understand the different type of features. So he will talking about the various features, categorical, ordinal, continuous, and all. And then he will based on identity categorical features. He has plotted the bar graph. Then E classes ordinal features. Money can't buy everything. People say money can't buy everything, but we can clearly see that the passengers of P class were able to given the high priority while rescue. So these types of insights you will be able to get from these data, right? So just go through multiple notebooks, you will be able to understand how beautifully you can explain. We talked about, right, descriptive part of the modeling, descriptive part of the analytics. So this is one of the descriptive part of analytics where you'll be able to understand those things. So look at the cross step and the factor plot. You can easily infer from that the survival for the women from P class 1 is about 95 to 96%, as of only 3 out of 94 women from P class 1 died. It is evident that irrespective of the P class, women were given priority while rescue. Even men from the P class have a very low survival rate. So these type of insights you will be able to get. और यही सब चीजें business decisions में आपको help करती है. I'll share this particular notebook along with couple other notebooks. I want you to understand the business understanding of it, basic pipeline of it, as well as what are the things that is being doing, as well as I want you to explore in your own coding environment and run the codes accordingly. You'll be able to run the codes, run the current cell. Once you click here in the run the current cell or run all, so just run particular current cell and then explore it. What are the keywords trying to explain? Okay. All right, so allow me to stop sharing my screen. Hopefully this is don't feel very uncomfortable that this was a lot of things, but this is how we learn, right? The learning is always a fast paced. This is how we will learn. So it will be fast paced. So you have to go through these things, and once you identify a particular keyword, include in your notebooks, okay, and whatever the things that you are understanding, it could be right or wrong. ठीक है, उसको चीज अरे मतलब समझो ऐसे बचपन में हमें इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के एग्जांपल के लिए वी टॉक अबाउट कि हाँ देयर आर 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दैट इज रिवॉल्विंग. इज दैट अ राइट इंफॉर्मेशन और अ रॉन्ग इंफॉर्मेशन? वी नो दैट इट इज रॉन्ग इंफॉर्मेशन, बट इन ऑर्डर टू मेक अस अंडरस्टैंड हमको पहले वो एग्जांपल दिया जाता है, राइट? फिर और आगे बढ़ते हैं, फिर पता चलता है कि नहीं देयर इज समथिंग अलग ही कुछ चल रहा है वहां पे. उनका एक प्रोबेबिलिटी होती है, दे कैन बी एट एवरीवेयर एनीवेयर. देन अभी आगे जाते तो पता चलता है कि हाँ क्लाउड्स आर देयर, मल्टीपल एनर्जी लेवल्स आर देयर, वन इलेक्ट्रॉन हैज टू जंप फ्रॉम वन टू अनदर. ये चीजें बचपन में नहीं बताई जा सकती. ऑन द सेम नोट यू आल्सो लर्न इन द सिमिलर वे. फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड द बेसिक फ्रेमवर्क कीवर्ड. ओके, व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इट? गो अहेड, यूज इट एज अ ब्लैक बॉक्स. ओके, अंदर गया बाहर गया, बीच में कुछ हो रहा है. एंड देन आगे जब जितना जैसे एडवांस करो, देन यू ओपन इट एंड देन यू अंडरस्टैंड, डिग डीपर इट. ओके, मेरा इन्फॉर्मेशन गलत था, दैट आई नो कि इन्फॉर्मेशन वाज गलत था, बट नाउ लेट मी अंडरस्टैंड इट मोर क्लियरली. सो ऐसे ही हम फास्ट पेस लर्निंग होगी. ठीक है, यदि आप पहले ही एक पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक को पकड़ के और CNN के अंदर या फिर NLP के अंदर पूरा पढ़ना शुरू कर दोगे, व्हाट विल हैपन इज दैट यू वोंट बी एबल टू फिनिश इट, एंड फिर इंटरव्यू विल आस्क, यू विल बी एबल टू एक्सप्लेन इट. And in this way, what you will be able to do is that, okay, I have not done a lot of things, but I know this particular project from end to start to end. I don't know much about it, but if you talk about it, if you ask me about this project, I'll be able to walk you through from the very start in the beginning. And hence you will be able to talk for the next 10 to 15 minutes. And this is exactly what we have to do. This is exactly, see, giving an interview is just an art. This is exactly what we have to do to keep him engaging. Definitely he is going to ask questions. And you are very comfortable to saying that, oh, I don't know, I'm just exploring it. If you ask me these questions, I'll be able to answer it. You guide the interview accordingly. And then talk about it. Ask for it and then deliver it. So, okay, so hopefully we extended, it's up approximately 1 hour or so. That's how I planned it. And I covered most of the things that I wanted to explain here. So I'll be sharing couple of questions before I wanted to leave. I will be able to take couple of questions. If you have any questions, feel free to unmute and ask it. Yeah, Ramnivas, do you have any questions?
Saurabh, is there any procedure to go through sharpen the tools?
No. See, what is the procedure is that the things that I'm sharing, no, the links, you just only have to go through and register for the Coursera courses, right? And after 15 days, you itself will be able to understand what are the things that I need to focus. Anyway, you have to learn these 4 tools, right? Python.
But right now the information are very random.
Sorry, which one?
Actually, information are good, but right now there are things, too many things are to be done.
Correct.
It's in a very random form, right?
Okay.
There is no procedure. That's why I'm asking.
Okay. So let me help you with that. So if where are you currently? Whatever the things that you have done, if you could just tell me, probably I'll be able to understand what is your status.
Right now, I'm going through the PDF and blogs that you shared in previous session.
Okay.
And I will be completed it after tomorrow. I will complete it.
Great. So
which comes good.
Fantastic. So hopefully by tomorrow.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Harshvardhan, just give me a minute.
Ram. Okay.
Yeah. Would you like to answer his question? Are you about to add particular things in that?
No, I am not answering the question.
Okay.
But what Ram Nivash is about to saying that he want to have a roadmap about that how to which from where we have to start and what next we have to do. You have said that first start with the Excel, then after Python, and then work on this and this. So Ram Nivash is asking about this. I think.
Right.
I'm right. Ram Nivash.
Yeah, I think this is it, Ram.
Yes, Saurabh.
Okay. Yeah, thank you for bringing this question. It is really very important question because we cannot go and directly register for each and every course and then start it, right? So tell me more specific courses to register. Yeah, sure. Exactly. So this is exactly. So I believe that most of the people have already gone through the first, second and third video session from where you understand the roadmap. See, even if you go through that 46 page of book, right? Data Science of Handbook, you will be able to understand the roadmap of it. Even if you want a detailed version of it, I have a very approximately 200 pages of book, but I did that book I didn't want to share with you because कि छोटे से में ही सारी चीजें वो part it is covering till the point you get a job, till the point before going back and preparing a cover letter, your resume, your mail for the LinkedIn and etc. It is covering every aspect. That's why I shared it. So once that part is done, उसके अंदर फिर what the next steps would be? The next step would be to enroll himself in couple of courses that I am recommending you. First courses will be the Excel course, second will be the Python course, third will be a Power BI course, and fourth would be a SQL course. And it is up to you to go through in any way. Okay? It is up to your comfortability. Many people, those who have already known Excel, they don't want to go through Excel, right? They will probably many people have already done couple of courses in the Python as well. They have already registered in the courses as well as Python, right? So probably they will prefer Power BI or say SQL. So it is your choice. It's not a compulsory. But the thing is that I wanted to get you registered right now in a couple of days or so that you will be able to got selected for the courses in the next 15 days. And within this 15 days, what we'll be doing is that we'll be working on 2-3 projects to understand and implement the keywords, techniques part of it, mathematical model part of it, the pipeline part of it, the way how the projects are work, and slowly we'll be doing it that. तो अभी आपको जाके तुरंत सीखना नहीं है, आपको वही चीज सीखना है जो चीज ऑलरेडी कवर हो चुकी है. Next stage में today the task number 1 is to go back and revisit, revise everything that has been already shared in the YouTube playlist and the books that has already been shared. Second step would be to make a lot of notes and prepare ourselves, explore the webs. Third thing will be I'll be sharing a Google Drive folder where you have to go through the cheat sheet. I told you, do not go for the books. You have to go for the cheat sheet and then understand from the cheat sheet and prepare your notes accordingly. Okay, the third part, okay, it's a SQL but pronounced as a SQL. Okay. The third part would be, the next step would be, once this is done, right, this is a parallel part, a continuous part. You have to make notes continuous, go back again, revisit again, make notes. The next important would be to work on this notebook that I'll be sharing by the end of the day. And then in the next 2-3 days, we'll be working on the presentation. We'll be deciding that 2-3-4 days maybe, then we'll do the presentation. Within 15 days, we'll be covering 2-3 projects. Okay, once that is done, then I'll be summarizing the whole story from the very beginning till the end. And then how it will be summarized. Okay, so I'll also be sharing what are the steps would be, exact courses what you have to register, and I'll be sharing that. Even if you have any doubt कि सौरभ मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, क्या चीज करूं, घबरा रहा हूं, प्रॉब्लम हो नहीं पा रही है, feel free to schedule a call with me. Just ping me, and then because hey, that's why I asked you know कि पहले पहले आप लोग हो कहाँ पे. That's why मैंने पूछा सबसे कि exactly where you are right now. People are अभी किसी और के पेस के लिए करो. For example, people have already done the courses and already gone through the blogs. If I share those things again and something relevant, it will be redundant for them. तो बोले कि यार अभी तो हम पढ़ लिए, फिर से हम यही चीज पढ़ रहे हैं. और यही चीज यदि दूसरों चीज के लिए यदि मैं फास्ट पेस रख दूं, it won't be able to you won't be able to pick it up, right? So I need to make a balance. So I will sharing the framework as well कि कौन सी चीजें क्या करनी है, and then बताऊंगा, फिर accordingly हम लोग साथ में चलेंगे. तो अभी प्रायोरिटी क्या है कि नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स क्या होगा, प्रेजेंटेशन देना है Kaggle के नोटबुक प्लेटफॉर्म पे. ओके, any other relevant questions, any other questions that you would like to ask? Yeah, every question is relevant. Just and thank you Ramnivas for this question. I think this was doubt for the most of the people. Yeah, any other questions?
In fact,
yeah Harsh.
In fact, I was also asking this question regarding the framework that you have that everyone was not in the balance condition. Everyone is in their in the running end. Everyone is learning in another things, and they are. This is not in a balanced condition. That's why I want to ask this also question that Ramnivas has asked.
Okay, what question?
That Ramnivas has asked already. That
I think he has already got his answer. If you have any specific
question,
can you repeat that?
I am not having a specific question. I already wants to ask that Ramnivas has asked.
Okay. Did you get any answer for that?
Yeah, I get the answer.
Great. Fantastic. So anyway, you have to prioritize things, right? We already discussed that. Yeah, Vikram, please go ahead.
Saurav, is Tableau sufficient for for a BI part, or Power BI is must to cope it up?
Okay. See, Tableau, Power BI, both are good, right? But the thing is that in the Indian market, Tableau is very costly. So companies generally do not prefer Tableau. They prefer Power BI. Many of the times, what happens is that if you are targeting a couple of MNC companies, right? So just go to their website and find out whether they are using Power BI or Tableau. So totally up to you. If you are comfortable with Tableau, that is good. If you are doing courses in that Power BI, that is also good. Do any one. Okay. If you wanted to explore both, that is also good. Okay. Yeah, Vikram.
Okay, sir. Okay. That's it.
Cool. Thank you. Anyone else? Pratik, Ankit, Pawan, Ravi, friends, Udit, any questions you have? Shivam, if you'd like to add anything. I think you have shared a couple of things, right? Vikrama, you have unmuted yourself. Wanted to say something?
Yeah, I want to add one more question actually.
Please.
Yeah, okay. In SQL, which RDBMS will be sufficient to go, right? Like Microsoft or MySQL, or which one to choose? Because everyone will have a basic foundation, but the sort of coding will be changing, right? So what to use?
So start with the basic foundation. Okay, don't worry much about it. So for example, if you are registering for any particular courses, start with that, and then see what important is that. No, see why I'm telling you to understand is that if you go back and read the job description of a particular company who is asking for SQL, right? So you will find out that the company is asking you to integrate the SQL code in the Python itself. This is one of the things that the company is asking, because they will not only ask you to do coding in the SQL itself. They will ask you to do something which is related to the SQL, as well as you are able to integrate the Python platform and leverage the SQL code from there itself, import the data, and then you can do the data implementation, data modeling itself. So the thing is that you have to learn that, start with the basics, do anything, but then go ahead and work on those projects where Python and SQL integration is being done. Anything, you can start with a very basic thing, create a data frame, a modified data frame, and delete it. Simple, just very basic. Okay, anyway, don't get very कि मतलब मुझको बहुत इन डेप्थ में चीजें पढ़नी है, ठीक है? कंपनी ज्वाइनिंग करने से पहले आपको कुछ नहीं आता. मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स पीपल लर्न आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग द कंपनी इटसेल्फ, ठीक है? मुझे भी कुछ नहीं आता था, ठीक है? थोड़ा बहुत जितना पढ़ा था, बोलने में अच्छा हो इसलिए बोल ले गया. बट अगेन यू ऑल्सो हैव टू बी दैट ब्रॉड पर्सपेक्टिव होना चाहिए, बिकॉज अनटिल वो ब्रॉडर पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं रहेगा तो आप नहीं बता पाओगे. कंपनी में कोई बैठा के आपको कोडिंग नहीं करवाएगा कि चलो इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट दिस कोडिंग, बट अगेन यू शुड बी वेरी गुड विद द बेसिक्स, ठीक है? एंड देन यू शुड बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाई SQL इज इंपॉर्टेंट, व्हाई Power BI is important, what is the importance of Python integrating with these tools. These things you should, why Excel is important. Everyone, Excel तो पुराना हो गया भाई, लेकिन फिर भी why it is important. Excel is coming up with the next version where it will be able to import Python modules उसके अंदर already है, ठीक है? Excel के अंदर Power BI का मॉड्यूल अब आने वाला है, करेक्ट? Excel के अंदर डायनेमिक डेटा आने वाला है. You just copy paste a particular URL, your dashboards will be automatically updating it. It is coming with various other AI ML modules as well. Havish के courses में you will be able to understand it. So invest in those courses and register for those courses and then start it again. But you are free to, you can do these things if you are having a very packed calendar schedule right away in the next 1 month or so. You are free to register for those courses late as well. Because I told you, certification courses is good. But again, if you have done some projects around it, आपकी सारी चीजें कवर हो जाए. लेट्स से कि मैंने कैगल के ऊपर से एक प्रोजेक्ट कर लिया जिसके अंदर बेसिक्स ऑफ पाइथन हो गया, कवर, डन. उसके बाद क्या हो गया कि मतलब कपल ऑफ मशीन लर्निंग के मॉडल्स, डन. कपल ऑफ EDA मैंने किया, वो भी डन. प्रेजेंटेशंस किया, मैटप्लॉटलिब कर लिया, डन. अब इसके लिए आई डो नॉट हैव टू स्पेशलाइज इन अ पर्टिकुलर मशीन लर्निंग का कोर्स करना, पाइथन का कोर्स करना, EDA के कोर्स सेपरेटली मुझे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैंने एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट किया, सिमिलरली 2-3 और प्रोजेक्ट किए, उसको शुरू स्टार्ट से लेके एंड तक मैंने समझ लिया. दैट इज इट. बाद में जाके आप करते रहिए. रिज्यूमे लिखने के लिए तो होगा एटलीस्ट प्रोजेक्ट. रिज्यूमे लिखिए, फिर आप प्रिपेयर करते रहिए. रिज्यूमे में अगेन नोट्स ही काम आते हैं. नोट्स मतलब कि लास्ट मोमेंट में व्हाट विल हैपन इज दैट यू विल बी गोइंग थ्रू top 500 questions, top 100 questions, let's say from Python, statistics और machine learning और artificial intelligence, और वही सब चीजें पूछी जाती है. 10-15 top 20 क्वेश्चन से एक्सेल के वही पूछी ही जाती है. VLOOKUP हो गया, HLOOKUP हो गया, and then sorting it, and then how to use the macros, VB and all. These are the very repeated questions. Okay, any other questions? Yeah, feel free to write down if you are unable to speak. Okay, if you do not have any other questions, we can drop it. Okay, it's been already approximately 120 minutes. Okay, guys, so do take a lot of notes. Again, I'm repeating it. Okay, chalo, bye bye, take care.
Bye, Saurabh.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you.